Hey guys, so I just read that Goldman Sachs says that AI is going to replace 300 million jobs. 300 million jobs. And it's not just uneducated people or blue collar workers. This is going to affect a lot of different workers from a lot of different backgrounds, and including surgeons and lawyers and everything else. And so it's very important to prepare for that future. We know that our people are going to get hit the hardest, as they always have through automation. Workers' wages have been reduced through automation over the last 40 or 50 years. It's going to only get worse, even for those of us that have college degrees and things like that. So one of the things I put together in the Black Business School, where we've educated over 10 million people on how to invest, is a list of AI stocks that you can buy that will prepare you for that future. Remember, these corporations are going to make money hand over fist. If you're an investor in these companies, then you'll make money too. So I encourage you to go take a look. Feel free to go to my website, boycewatkins.com, and the list is right there. I'll see you guys soon, and happy investing. Peace.